I've been asked to solve my inequality for y and to answer some basic information about it. So to solve my inequality, I'm going to go ahead and draw my line down the inequality sign and circle the term I'm solving for, which is the y, including the plus sign. So my goal is to get that y by itself on the left side, so I'm going to need to move the other term that's over there with it, that 5x. And in order to move a term across the line, I have to do the inverse operation. So right now this is a positive 5x. So the inverse to positive 5x is minus 5x. I'm going to do it on both sides. When I look on the right side, my 50x is a like term, so I'm going to go ahead and put it under my like term. Draw my line. My 5x's cancel out, and I'm left with 9y on the left side is greater than 45x minus 36. Now I don't have any other terms on the left side, so all that's happening to my y right now is it's being multiplied by 9, so the inverse of multiply is to divide. So I'm going to divide every term by 9. Now the only difference in solving an inequality and an equation is the flip-flop rule. And the flip-flop rule says if I divide by a negative, I have to flip my inequality. But when I look, what I just divided by was a positive number, so no flipping involved. I can just go ahead and bring down my answer, which is y is greater than 5x minus 4. There's my inequality. My slope is always the variable or the variable, so the coefficient to the variable is my slope, and my y-intercept is always the constant, the one without the variable. So if I'm writing this answer over here, my slope is 5, my y-intercept is negative 4, and then I'm going to refer to my chart up here to decide if I've got a dotted or solid and which way I shade. So here I have a greater than sign. Greater than, there's no equals to under it, so my greater than is a dotted line shaded above. So dotted line shaded above.